So clearly being spelled out that it was a warning, not a forewarning that seems to have been misjudged or rather preconceived by the Congress party. But this seems to be the BJP's response that is now coming in as a scathing political offensive and targeting the leader of opposition, calling him the new age Mir Jafar. The BJP has accused Rahul Gandhi of echoing Pakistan's line. Right from Operation Sindoor to Nishane-Pak, the Saffron Party has sharpened its pitch by asking bluntly, does Rahul Gandhi want Pakistani emblem for India? Why is that time and again he is now been using such lines against, as far as when it comes to the External Affairs Minister, something that also falls on the line of what the DGMO had previously said? Does it mean that he is not convinced with the statement of the DGMO himself? Because here is Rahul Gandhi, who seems to be targeting External Affairs Minister Jaishankar once again, saying that after External Affairs Minister's silence, according to Rahul Gandhi, isn't just telling, it's damning. So I'll ask again, how many Indian aircrafts did we lose because Pakistan knew beforehand that Operation Sindoor is going to commence? And here, when it comes to what Rahul Gandhi reiterated, saying that this is not a lapse, it was a crime, and the nation deserves to know the truth. This is what he has been asking. However, here is when it comes to clarification that is coming from the MEA, that this is nothing but misrepresentation of facts, clarifying that External Affairs Minister's warning to Pakistan at the beginning of Operation Sindoor, as being cited by Rahul Gandhi, is nothing but misrepresentation. And however, when it comes to the clarification is coming at a time when Rahul Gandhi's criticism of government suggesting
राहुल गांधी के बयान आए, उन्होंने एस जयशंकर से कुछ सवाल पूछे सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट में, और ये भी पूछा कि कितने भारतीय प्लेन जो हैं इसमें गिरे हैं पूरे ऑपरेशन में। उसको लेके अब उनके जो सवाल हैं, जो उन्होंने ट्वीट किए, जो उन्होंने पोस्ट किए, वो पाकिस्तानी मीडिया उठा रहा है, पाकिस्तानी प्रोपेगेंडा हैंडल्स उठा रहे हैं। कैसे देखते हैं?
ये राहुल गांधी का ट्वीट पाकिस्तान को मदद क्यों कर रहा है? जो बेहुदा सवाल पाकिस्तान ने उठाए थे, पूरे दुनिया में झूठ बोला था और उसकी झूठ को किसी ने नहीं माना था, लेकिन राहुल गांधी के ट्वीट से पाकिस्तान को बल मिला है। वो उनके ट्वीट को और उनके सवाल को फिर से उठा रहा है। राहुल गांधी ने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में दो शब्द बधाई के, शुभकामना के, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट नहीं किया अपनी सेना को, लेकिन वो सवाल उठा रहे हैं कि हमने इन्फॉर्म कर दिया। अरे हमने तो पाकिस्तान को बोलकर मारा, चहेट कर मारा। पाकिस्तान को पूरे दुनिया के सामने कह दिया था कि जो नापाक हरकत की है उसका जवाब हम देंगे, और जवाब दिया। लेकिन अब राहुल गांधी उस पर सवाल उठा रहे हैं, और उन्हीं के ये सवाल पाकिस्तान की मीडिया और पाकिस्तान के जो प्रोपेगेंडा हैंडल हैं उससे पूरे दुनिया में पहुंचाए जा रहे हैं। कांग्रेस पार्टी की ये हरकत देश के लोग कभी क्षमा नहीं करेंगे।
सर, सवाल ये भी है कि सिर्फ राहुल गांधी ने कई कांग्रेस के
Well, this is a response that has also come in from the BJP side, and also in a brief statement, the MEA cited that this is being falsely represented as being before the commencement. This is utter misrepresentation of facts that is being called out. How is the BJP reacting, Pratibha?
Action that has come in from the BJP, and the BJP has hit out at the Congress party over the politics that has been playing out. Amit Malviya of the BJP has put out this picture of Rahul Gandhi and Asif Munir, and he says it's not surprising that Rahul Gandhi is speaking the language of Pakistan and its benefactors. He hasn't congratulated the Prime Minister on the flawless Operation Sindoor, which unmistakably showcases India's dominance. Instead, he repeatedly asks how many jets we lost, a question that has already been addressed in the DGMO briefings. Curiously, he hasn't once inquired about how many Pakistani jets were shot down during the conflict, of how many were destroyed while parked in the hangars while Indian forces pounded Pakistan air bases. What's next for Rahul Gandhi? The Nishane Pakistan. So this is the picture that he has tweeted, but it doesn't end there. Amit Malviya has again put another picture where he has put Rahul Gandhi here, how many aircraft we lost, saying Rahul Gandhi is a new age Mir Jafar. But there has been a response that has come in from the Congress party as well. The Congress party's Kerala official handle going on to put a picture of the Prime Minister, calling it Abda Mein Afsar, saying this is nothing but fancy dress. So that's a war of words that's playing out on social media.
All right, Pratibha, thank you for that update. Seeking answers from the military and clarification over the Saboot is something that the BJP is now taking on the Congress party. But it seems that the political battle over Operation Sindoor has hit a boiling point. The BJP, which has dropped a bombshell for branding Rahul Gandhi as the new age Mir Jafar. Let's get in a word from both Mohit and Nyamika, who are connected with us right now. Mohit, as what we are looking at as the BJP is now taking on Rahul Gandhi, asking that why is he still seeking Saboot? Does he not believe the External Affairs Minister? Does he not believe the statement that has been given by the DGM?
Well, in fact, Amita, BJP is attacking Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party, saying that this is what they always feared, that Rahul Gandhi's statement will be picked up by Pakistani media and Pakistani propaganda handles. And the BJP says that Pakistan has been spreading a lie, a fake narrative to the world, that how India's plane was shot and how the Indian army attacked the civilian posts, civilian areas of Pakistan. But that is not the truth. While we have seen that how MEA has come up with a clarification that the statement that was being made by S. Jaishankar, the External Affairs Minister, was during the initial stages of Operation Sindoor. And not just S. Jaishankar, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and everybody in the country stated that there will be a strong retaliation against the Pak terror camps and every single Pakistani terrorist will be neutralized. But then the statement that has come in from Rahul Gandhi, not just once, but twice he has put out social media posts, and he has also asked that how many Indian planes were down by Pakistan. So clearly the BJP said this is something which is treacherous, and they are also saying that next for Rahul Gandhi's Nishan-e-Pakistan. And BJP IT cell head Amit Malviya has put out a picture of Rahul Gandhi with General Asif Munir, a cropped image, and he clearly says that this is something which is shocking, and Rahul Gandhi is giving propaganda to the Pakistani channels, Pakistani media, and in fact to the Pakistani army to use it against India. So a massive political fight has started on this particular issue, where BJP says that this is what they have always said, that the statement coming in from Rahul Gandhi and other Congress leaders will be picked up by the Pakistani propaganda handles and to narrate a fake narrative to the world. Back to you.
All right. As far as this big narrative that has now been built, according to the BJP, what has now been learned that Congress continues to give oxygen to Pakistan, and it is Rahul Gandhi and his statements against the External Affairs Minister that seems to be quoted on Pakistani media as well. Let's get in a reaction that is now coming in from the Congress's side as well. Both sides are now at loggerheads taking on each other.
जिस तरीके से राहुल गांधी जी का बयान सामने आया, उन्होंने ट्वीट करके जो सवाल खड़े किए एक्सटर्नल अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर को, अब बीजेपी कह रही है कि वो पाकिस्तान की भाषा बोल रहे हैं। इस पर आप क्या जवाब देना चाहेंगे?
देखिए, बीजेपी को आपत्ति क्यों ना हो, पूरा देश चाहता था कि पीओके पर तिरंगा झंडा फहराए, पूरे देश की जन भावना थी कि बलूचिस्तान को आजाद कराया जाए, पूरे देश की भावना थी कि आतंकवादियों के खिलाफ कड़ी कार्रवाई की जाए, पाकिस्तान को इस बार सबक सिखा दिया जाए। कांग्रेस पार्टी पहले दिन से कह रही है कि हम सरकार के साथ खड़े हैं और मजबूती से खड़े हैं, और पूरे देश का हर एक व्यक्ति इस बार सरकार की कार्रवाई के साथ खड़ा था। लेकिन जो सवाल उठा है, भाजपा के मंत्री ने सोफिया कुरैशी, जो हमारी बहन, बहादुर बहन, जिसने पाकिस्तान के छक्के छुड़ा दिए, उसके खिलाफ क्या बयान अमर्यादित नहीं है? क्या उसकी निंदा नहीं होनी चाहिए? इसके बारे में मोदी जी और भाजपा के लोग क्यों नहीं बोल रहे हैं? ये सवाल नहीं बनता कि आप सेना पर टिप्पणी करेंगे। आप ये देश विरोधी काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, इस पर जवाब कौन देगा? और आदरणीय राहुल जी ने सवाल क्या उठाया है? वो पहले ऐसे व्यक्ति हैं कि पहलगाम की घटना के बाद विदेश यात्रा पर थे, तुरंत वापस आए अपनी यात्रा को छोड़कर, और पहले वो कश्मीर गए, पहलगाम गए, जो लोग घायल थे उन लोगों से मिले।